Do you want these cute, bouncy curls without having to use heat? Yes, girl. No heat. Then stay tuned. So, this is my own fault. I wanted to procrastinate all day. Now I'm in my jammies. It's now Saturday, well, basically Sunday, 1 a.m., and I'm about to go to sleep. But I really, really want to do this perm rod set for Memorial Day. So, that's what I'm doing. I'm stretching right now. So, I'm going to give it about 10 more minutes, and then I'm gonna get this started. So I sectioned my hair off in the front first because I'm doing a different style today. And then you just want to add some leave-in, apply it to your ends in the big section, spray, and then you want to section it off again in half. Then you're gonna add the wrap and roll foam, comb it out. You just don't want your curls to kink up. And then you're gonna add the perm rod starting on the side with the string, and you want to just wrap it around twice just to protect your ends, and then you want to slowly wind up and wrap up the perm rod because it helps make your hair a little bit longer when you take the perm rod out, and it dries a little bit faster than if you roll it upon itself all the way up. So then again, you do the same thing, wrap on the side with the string, protect your ends a little bit by rolling it twice, then wind up and wrap your hair around the perm rod. So then I'm just gonna do the rest of the back off camera, and then I'll show you when I get to the front. The trick to a good perm rod set is using not so much product and not so much water, or else it will never dry. And you really just want to make sure that your ends are protected, number one, and you're winding your hair up and twisting the perm rod, making sure that the hair is not doubled. Your busy body giving me life, oh, hey life, hey. How you do me like Joanna, Joanna? How you do me like Joanna, Joanna? How you gonna do me like Joanna, Joanna? Hey Joanna, hey Joanna. If you're going to air dry, you want to give it at least 8 to 12 hours, and if you're going to sit under a dryer, I think you can sit for about 2 hours and it should be ready to go. Love me too, I love you back. Joanna. You be the man, damn sugar. Man, damn sugar. Oh, hey. Give me your goodie bag, I want your goodie bag, baby. That's all right. I'm not cute tonight, but wait till take my perm rods out and my curls just flourishing. Y'all gonna be hating. Alright. So stay tuned. So I use this jumbo bonnet because my regular bonnet is too small to fit the rollers in. So I had this dry for about 2 days and I'm gonna take it out now. Yesterday was Sunday and it was really rainy, so I didn't want to take my hair out. Unclip it and let your hair naturally unravel in the opposite direction that it rolled in. And then I'm going to show you how to separate them to give it that body and that volume that everybody be looking for, especially my girls with thinner hair like me. You can still have volume and body like the girls with thicker hair. So if you follow me on social media, then you know that I love a side part. I live by a side part. But I tried something different with my perm rods. I put 2 going down to give it like that cute round look that all the girls with thicker hair have. My hair is really thin, so I have to do more work to give it body and volume. So I put these 2 in my face and we're gonna see how it comes out. And the Dr. Burley hair growth oil will be for sale on Instagram in a month, so stay tuned. So you're just gonna unravel your hair, twisting it in the opposite direction that the curl is going in, just like I showed you in my twist out video, which I'll link below at the bottom. And you just want to separate it in half, or where your hair naturally wants to separate, just like I show you in my shingling video, which I'll also link below at the bottom. So you just want to keep unraveling each curl and then split it by where your hair naturally wants to separate, starting from the bottom and working your way up. You definitely want to have a little bit of oil on your hands to reduce frizz. My type 3 hair, we can get away without blow drying because our roots aren't so thick. But type 4, you might want to blow dry your hair first just to give it like that straighter look, but you don't have to. It's all your preference. You just want to give yourself a nice little scalp massage with that Dr. Burley hair growth oil. Yes. Oil scalp massages stimulate hair growth and it just feels good. Hello. Why you do me just like that? I go give you all my loving. Love me too, I love you back. Joanna. You be the man damn sugar. Man damn sugar. So now I'm trying the new thing. I'm gonna pin it back with 2 bobby pins going in opposite directions. And then you see how it just hangs in my face and gives it a cute little round look. You can continue picking to give it more volume. Joanna, how you gonna do me like Joanna? Joanna, hey Joanna, Joanna, ay. Hey, how you gonna you know me, live by my side part, so. How you gonna do me like this was on No Heat on stretched hair, which I will be making a tutorial for you guys soon because you voted on my Instagram that you wanted to see a tutorial. And the same methods that I have been using, they're in my twist out video, they're in my wash and go video. I'll also be making a video for a week in the life of, you know, having perm rods, because I would say my day 2, day 3 hair is definitely better, but day 4 is my favorite. So I just want to show you guys like what I do at night to keep it good. You guys know that I work out every weekday, Monday through Friday. So you'll see how you can maintain your hair and still be cute. You feel me? Because this perm rod is really hitting like not to toot my own horn, but baby. All right, let me stop. No, but seriously, I'll be making a video just showing you every day throughout the week of what I do to my hair at night and how it looks in the morning. So if you like this, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye, my Burley gang.